Welcome to the unboxing of the Death Stranding Collector's Edition. Baby Fetus Edition. This thing is huge! Here's the front, which is actually the same artwork that's on the cover of the PlayStation 4 box. And the back is the same artwork that's on the back of the Special Edition PlayStation 4 box. Then we have our game information down here, because it does come with a copy of the game as well. And then the image actually loops over onto the side, where we have the label. Same thing on the other side. And, oh no, Norman Reedus! Ah! There's the front, because I know you're all dying to know what's on the bottom of the box. There you go. Let's take a look at this thing. So right away, we have the steel case with an alternate artwork that is not on the regular cover of the game. Looking a little bit worse on this cover than I think he is on the other one. And just Kojima Productions on the back, and a nice layer of dust. We have the disc, which I believe, if my memory serves correct, is the same as the regular one, but this artwork in the background is definitely different. And then we have our digital promo code, and a code for some of the music. Very similar to what we saw in the very first reveal trailer, except no naked Norman Reedus with a baby. No one actually cares about the game, right? We all just want to see the baby fetus. Push! Push! Okay, you hold the front now. This is everything that comes in the collector set. A giant white box. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Okay. Oh. So, is everything going to be in this case, or is there more? Let's see. That's it. So there's nothing in the bottom of the box. Everything is in... what do they call it? It is in the Bridges cargo case. Okay. So there is the front of the case. Ah! And nothing too interesting on the back. The handle actually does not fold down. It is stuck up like this. You can't actually bend it down. Show you the sides. The bottom. And then the front with the handle, as I mentioned, is actually locked in this position. Alright, let's see the baby. No one cares about that. Ooh. I'm so proud. Okay, so he is like static in there. He doesn't rattle around or move. Got the lovely umbilical cord. We've got the spot where we see Sam plug in the trailers. Oh no, this is the spot he plugs in, I think. Or it's both, I'm not sure. We have a button. Flip up to toggle. What does that mean? Maybe we'll read the instructions before I break this really expensive fetus baby. English, the following text on the BB pod is... We really should have read the instructions first. The following text on the BB-Pod is decorative only, and not actual instructions. So these are the things. Flip up to toggle open case cover is decorative only, so it's a good thing we didn't force that. Check trans connection. Ensure lock is tight. Caution, use designated tool to remove belt. So these are all decorative phrases. Oh, he lights up. So here we have instructions to open up the battery pack, put in some batteries, and he will light up. So we will do that at the end of the video. We have our please don't choke on the giant fetus baby instructions, in case you were trying to eat him. Do not do that. So we don't actually want to flip this open. He doesn't actually open up, nothing like that. And then here is what he looks like on the back. This is again one of the decorative things they said. I don't think there's anything you can actually do with it besides the light. It's just kind of like a static statue. But it is made in China, in case you were wondering. Okay, then we also have this mini Ludens figure, which I'll open up to get a closer look at. So this little guy actually kind of looks like the Kojima logo with the skull inside. The helmet that both looks like a Spartan helmet and a astronaut helmet at the same time. If you look at the Kojima logo, it looks very similar to that. Oh my god, it's a giant baby! And the last thing in the case is void if tampered. Do not paint over or remove tape. And they give you a nice big thick roll of this. So if you don't want anyone to touch your new baby fetus, you just wrap this around it. This is how everything fits in here. So the keychain guy was, well, he's not really a keychain. The little figure guy was here, the tape was here, and BB was right here. And it's nice gushy foam. The batteries just pop right in here. It's hard to see. We have to turn the lights off. Woo! If you want a creepy ass baby fetus nightlight to freak out everyone else in the house, it's only gonna run you about 300 bucks. Kinda looks like we're cooking him. It sort of looks like he's sitting on a stove. Little baby. Okay, so the little Ludens minifigure guy also comes with a little lanyard here. Not sure if there's anything on it, if it's just, I think it's just black, just a hook on him. We have this little piece here. But there's no instructions! Oh no! I was kind of joking about the no instructions part, but now I'm really not sure what I'm supposed to do. This isn't really what I would call a lanyard. I think this is just like string, but apparently according to the box it's a lanyard. And then you can surround him with this tape so no one disturbs him. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the Death Stranding Giant Baby Fetus Collector's Edition version. And yeah, so if you want a giant, cute, look at the cute little face, baby fetus, again to freak out your family and friends, look no further. So if you guys are interested what the limited edition Death Stranding PlayStation 4 Pro console looks like, I also did an unboxing video for that, so check it out if you want.